This is official entry of Team Aquant to Technology Infusion Grand Challenge organized by Latrobe University, Australia. We are a group of engineering students from Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, India, with a solution to a small but serious problem. One of the major problems faced by developing countries is regarding lack of infrastructure to maintain water bodies, which is extremely valuable part of ecosystem that provide a range of goods and services to humankind. So what is a simple yet affordable solution? Presenting the eAquaBin, a smart, simple and affordable solution to cleaner water bodies. The eAquaBin is a simple yet advanced robot capable of moving in shallow water, small spaces, controlled remotely via controllers and phones over a distance, without compromising the safety of the operator. What makes eAquaBin different? It is an ideal product which has remote accessibility up to 150 meters. What all does it clean? It collects all the floating waste, no matter how small, and easily stores it in a container of 0.4 cubic meter volume. This container can be easily disassembled to remove the collected waste. eAquaBin runs perfectly in deep waters as well as shallow waters. It can be easily operated in the water depth being 100 mm only. Let's talk about the commercialization potential. There are many machines which are currently being used for maintaining water bodies but have major disadvantages. Like being too much bulky, they cannot be used to transport from one water body to another. They are only suitable for rivers and not for smaller water bodies like lake, pond, etc. For poor developing countries in Asia, affording these machines can be very challenging for the budget. The eAquaBin can solve these problems. Because of its simple, portable design, it can be transported to required aquatic body without any hassle. Even city municipalities can use the bot for work because of its easy maintenance and low cost design. It does not compromise with the safety of operator and it can be operated with ease of any phone, completely wireless.